Looking for a tail light harness that fits perfectly and stands up to tough conditions? The GM Genuine Parts tail light harness is built to deliver exactly that. Designed to meet GM's exact factory specifications, this harness offers durability, reliability, and easy installation, so you can get your vehicle back on the road without worry. I wasn't planning to spend extra on a GM or ACDelco part at first, but after installing this harness, I'm glad I did. Every connector lined up perfectly, and the color-coded wires made installation straightforward. The harness's durable outer covering shields against vibration, moisture, and abrasion, which means it's built to last under real-world conditions. Watching a few YouTube tutorials helped me save around $350 in labor, and knowing I had a genuine GM part gave me confidence that I wouldn't have to redo the job anytime soon. Choosing this GM Genuine Parts harness means you're investing in quality that matches your vehicle's original factory component. It's engineered and tested to rigorous GM standards, ensuring the perfect fit, form, and function. If you want to avoid the frustration of cheap parts that don't last, this harness is worth the slight extra cost. It's a reliable upgrade that protects your investment and makes future repairs smoother. If you're ready to replace your tail light harness, consider the GM Genuine Parts option. You get what matters: a hassle-free installation, durable protection, and peace of mind backed by General Motors. Worth a look if you want a job done right the first time. Try it when you're ready.